size of a loom. A loom is made up of wood. Depends upon the size of the carpet. Sometimes big carpet, so we have to make bigger looms. And this is all handmade loom.
Yes.
No machine, there are less nails used. Like this is all like grooved. So then what we have to do, like here, first thing is the base. Base is sometimes cotton, sometimes wool, but woolen not nowadays. Nowadays cotton and silk.
And silk, okay.
And base is of two lines. Front base, back base. So you can see, I can pass through the finger here.
Yeah, I see.
This is the front base, this is the back base. Okay, two bases. So they have to be parallel to each other. So there is a pattern written. Pattern in the paper, bunch of the papers. So according to that, a weaver, he has to take the thread. Suppose this thread, pink thread, this thread, whatever thread. This time I will take this. He has to take this thread. He has to tie here. Okay? One thread from the front, one thread from the back. And he has to pass it like this, and like this. In the shape of 8. 8.
Yes.
Or S, you can say. So this is called one knot. And he pulls it down like this. And this is a special tool for it. One side sharper, one side blunt. So he has to cut it from this side. Gives the cut. Okay? He cuts it and then he beats it by this side. Gives more compact. This is one knot. And sometimes the knots vary. Sometimes a carpet has in a square inch. It starts from 400 knots and it can go up to 2000 knots. This carpet has 625 knots in a square inch. 625 knots in a square inch. So 625 times he has to do. And in a row he goes row by row. In a row this carpet has almost 1300 knots. So 1300 times he has to do according to the design, which thread where to tie, which thread where to tie. So he has to take the threads according to the design, And this much of, and sometimes a line takes about a day, sometimes 2 days, depends upon how skillful the person is. If I will make one line in 3 days. If a skillful person, if they are used to it, so they make it 1 day. And this much it takes around one and a half months. And when finished, it will take around 6-7 months. So after finishing one row, like one by one, what the weaver does, this is called the interlock thread. He passes it between the two lines. Okay, takes it this side, like up to here, and then there is a comb. Beats it. Beats it to give the lock to the knob. And then what he does, he takes it. This is the lever, this is not working, so he takes it down. What it goes like this one, it goes like this. Okay, and this thread he passes back. Okay, and beats again to give the interlock. So then he pulls the lever again up and it comes to the original shape. Not he has made, it will not come out now. Because first thread it locks it, then second thread it interlocks, and this goes like this and then comes again like this. So it interlocks it. So this is one line. So after finishing the day's work, what the weaver does, he looks it from the back side. Because front side he keeps it a little longer. He cannot see the design what is coming up. So only he looks at the back side. So back side he looks and he sees if it is good, and he goes on second day. If there is any flaw, mistake, so he takes it again. After making 5-6 lines, like if he makes 5-6 lines, after a week he will say mistake, then he has to open 5 lines, so it is again a week. So that's why he has to make sure, so after day work he looks at the back, it's coming good or not. If there is mistake, he can remove same time.
Yes.
Only 1 day. But if it is late, if he after 1 month he see here mistake, so he has to take all out. So then months and years it goes like this, sometimes months, and sometimes small carpet takes 3-4 years. And then after finishing the carpet, what he does, he takes it down from the